Hi everyone, I'm Heather. Welcome to Strings and Threads, streaming to you from my dungeon of dreams. Join me in the magical world of crochet, knitting, and all things yarn. If you're a fellow yarn enthusiast, hit that subscribe button and become part of our creative journey. Let's dive into today's project. Hi, welcome to Battle of the Stitches for April 2025. And this is week 3 where we reveal the pattern that we created using the stitch of the month. And so I will show you what I've made, but I also wanted to let you know that there's going to be voting polls up. So you can go to our community tabs. For me and for everybody else who's participating, I will have them listed in my description. So for all of us, make sure you go and look at what I've created, what they've created, and vote for your favorite one. You can vote on all of our channels if you would like, but just make sure you vote, because if you vote, it helps us to know which item will win, and the winning item will be put up for grabs in a giveaway at the end of the month. And if you would like to be in the giveaway, you need to comment on one of the voting polls. It doesn't matter which one. As soon as you've commented, then you're entered in. If you just vote, we don't know that, because voting only gives you, I'm sorry, I just accidentally knocked my project out of my hand. Voting only gives us the numbers. But if you comment, then we can know that you are interested in the giveaway. Even if you just say, hey, good job, or I voted, or something like that. Anything that's not mean. I made an itty bitty project. This month's Stitch of the Month, I did an itty bitty owl. I think some of you guessed it. Some people just said amigurumi, and I think there were some people who knew it was going to be an owl. So that was my project with this month's Stitch of the Month. And again, make sure you get out there and vote. Check who else is competing in my description. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.